Alright, what's up you guys, and welcome to today's video. Today we have a special unboxing of the brand new Samsung S24 Ultra. Now I know you guys have been waiting for this phone for a while. I know myself, I have been waiting for it. So let's waste no time and let's get right into it. So it'll come in this box if you order it. Well, I pre-ordered it, and I hope you guys did too, because I think if you didn't pre-order it, you would have to wait until February 22nd. So nonetheless, this is what it'll look like. It comes really decently packed, I guess you could say. Let's go ahead and take all this out. Okay, so it comes in this really nicely packed, cushioned packaging. And here is the phone. Actually looks really good. I like how they did that, like the little shadow on the box. Same box as last year, Galaxy S24 Ultra. I also got this anti-reflective screen protector for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. But nonetheless, guys, here is the beauty. Possibly the best Android, most powerful phone that you can buy. This is the presentation that it comes in. Super excited about this one. So honestly, let's not waste any more time and go ahead and unbox it. Two small tabs in the back. Just peel it. And peel this one. Super excited that this is now a titanium phone. So I'm super excited to match that to the iPhone and see what that looks like. Alright, so first glance first, with the light hitting it, in my perspective, it looks like yellowish, but from what I could see in the camera, it looks like a silvery type of color. Let's go ahead and take it out of the box. Wow, this feels nice. It feels, let me grab my S23 Ultra. It feels heavier, which is strange because, you know, the I know titanium is made of more durable material, but I remember when I first got the iPhone, titanium phone, it was a lot lighter than the previous generation. But let's put this to the side, see what else you get. Samsung, you already know. Open this up, see all the goodies that you get in here. SIM eject tool, quick start guide in terms of condition, and a USB-C to USB-C cable. And that's everything that comes into the box. I know, right? 1,300 bucks, and that's all you get. But nonetheless, let's go ahead and peel this off. Oh, that one was really on there. Let's go ahead and power it on. Samsung, okay. Yo, one thing you notice, and I mean, obviously this was part of the upgrade this year, but now you have an all flat design on the screen, powered by Android, you already know. But it feels good. It feels a little bit more squared than last year's. This one felt like perfect. This one feels a little too squared for my liking, but go ahead and get started. For your review, we're just going to agree to all. Easy setup with another device. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to set this up real quick because I was using my iPhone, so we're gonna do that. So we're going to connect to the Wi-Fi. 1 second. Yeah, guys, first impressions is, so this is like, feels kind of like a polished, you know, similar to what the iPhone is like. This might be a little bit even more polished compared to this S23 Ultra. Yeah, it feels beefier. It feels thicker. Let me go continue setting this up real quick, guys. Okay, we're signing in. Alrighty, so we're going to continue here. Gonna hit agree. Get an account info. It may take a few minutes. Transfer SIM from another device. So I'll transfer the SIM later, but I want to get into setting this up for now. Let's go ahead and copy the data. We're going to do get started with Smart Switch. Yep. Alright, so we'll just use the cable that comes in the box. Because why not, right? connect that to the iPhone. Info. But yeah, my first impression, guys, this feels boxier, curvier. I would have to say, if you guys would have to make me pick right now, like if I can only, okay, so I'll transfer my apps later. But yeah, like I would have to say, like, it feels good, it feels smooth. I guess if we compare the camera bumps, they're pretty much identical, even though I know that they did upgrades on the cameras on this phone. But like you guys can see here, this feels a lot beefier, a lot squared. I don't know how I feel about it, to be honest with you guys. I'm kind of in between. I am hoping that like all the software features and everything that they changed on these phones makes up for it, because it looks like a great phone. I just don't like that it's super squared. Like this to me feels natural. One of the things I loved about this phone was that it felt so good in the hand. And then this phone feels beefy, you know? It feels like a thick boy. Let's see. Let's try the famous S Pen. See how that looks. Okay, let's say clear notes. Let's see how this looks. I mean, it feels good in the hand, but like I said, I'm actually not a big fan of this design. It just feels humongous. I mean, the phone already did. It does feel quicker. I'm not a fan. I have to be honest with you guys. I liked better the design of the S23 Ultra over the S24. It's just more boxier, cornier. Yeah, I'm not a fan. See how the video looks, you know? Maybe the video is a lot better in here. Let's click one of my older videos. Cut these up. And then from here, we have our Google Pixel 8 Pro case. I got the black. Let's see what else we got. So we got that they got rid of the glass back with like all the fingerprints that you would get in it. That was my biggest gripe with the Pixel 7 Pro. But alright guys, I mean, yeah, I know that this display, that they improved this display. I know it's supposed to be a much brighter display than the S23 Ultra, but let's go ahead and see the cameras, see how they look. Let's do a quick video one. What's up, you guys? And this is the test for the front-facing camera of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know how it looks, how the audio sounds, and let me know if you see an improvement. I mean, it looks good. I mean, I do see a slight improvement compared to the S23 Ultra in the camera department. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know how it looks, how the audio sounds, and let me know if you see an improvement. I will give them that. If I have to be honest with you guys, I'm not a fan of this boxy design. Like, I get what they were trying to go for here, but like if I had to pick one, and just in design, not the usability or the consumer's perspective, I'd go with the S23 Ultra. This just feels like a better phone to me. I mean, like I said, I know that they improved a lot of stuff. I know that the AI is crazy on this phone, which is something that we're going to be testing out in the real world to give you guys real world results, because we don't go by numbers here. We go based off what we do in the real world. But yeah, no, I mean, the color is cool, I guess. The color is like, you know, don't get me wrong, the color looks great. It's awesome. It's a 512 gigabyte model. Now they come with 12 gigabytes of RAM. I know in terms of specs and everything, this is supposed to be a powerhouse compared to the previous phone. I have to be quite frankly honest with you guys. I'm not impressed. It's I feel like it's a bit disappointing. Like this was my favorite phone from last year. Like this is the phone that I continuously went back to no matter what, you know, because everything felt right about it. Just typing on the phone, it felt natural to me. You know, this felt natural to me typing on there. I don't know, guys, I'm gonna have to honestly take it through its paces, but I have to say that I'm not the biggest fan of this huge boxy design. The phone already felt huge, and with this design, it just feels a lot bigger. I guess they decided to go the thicker route than the thinner route. I'm not sure why they would do that. I mean, it's pretty dumb in my perspective. I mean, I understand all manufacturers are going to titanium. The biggest difference between the iPhone and the Samsung is that the Samsung one felt better than the stainless steel, and I feel like the Samsung one feels worse in titanium than it did when the stainless steel. So they took a step backward. That's just in my humble opinion. You know, everybody has different opinions. We can agree to disagree, but I'm not a fan of the design. And yeah, we're just gonna have to take it through its paces, see what's good about it, if this is worth an upgrade coming from the S23 Ultra, or should you just wait? I mean, the design has been the same for the last 3 years, so they're going in the iPhone route there. I mean, I know that all the magic is happening inside, but I don't see anything special on the outside, and that's just in my humble opinion. As far as for this unboxing, if you have your S23 Ultra, I would say just keep it, because in my perspective, it's a better phone. It's a better design of a phone than this huge boxy brick. It already felt impossible to use with one hand, and now it feels even worse. So guys, that's just where I'm gonna wrap up this video, but like I said, I'm not gonna let that, and as you guys can see, the phone is a lot more slippery. This felt good. This feels slippery and jittery, but like I said, guys, this is just an unboxing and the first impressions, so make sure to stay tuned for my full review of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, and I'll let you guys know if you should buy it, if you should keep your phone, if the specs are worth the upgrade. So far, design wise, I'd say no, but tune in for the review, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the review. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.